Well, hey guys, welcome back, my prepper friends. We're going to be working on a ceiling fan. We're going to be putting a switch in that's going to control both the lights and the fans on it. Sometimes when we hook the power up to our ceiling fans, we can only run one or the other, and there are pull strings will tell us whether we want to run the lights or the fan. We're going to switch those out with this switch right here. I want to show you how to do it. So to show you a little something about these switches, I'm going to put a 2 switch in. On one side, this is where the switches are going to go. On the other side, this is where the power is going to go. And you see that little tab that we have right there. If we were going to separate the power supplies out, we would break that tab and then run a power wire up here, power wire here. And the switch, all it does is break the electrical going through it. Just to show you what I'm doing here, I'm going to use one wire to pull the other wire through the wall. Hopefully they didn't staple it in the wall. Make a nice little pull for me. Okay, we have it taped together. And hopefully we can get it up in there, get it through that hole. Okay, we're going to be going up in the attic, get that wire pulled up that wall. I want to show you how to get up there and how to crawl your way back to the actual place. Enjoy. Okay, we did it. What you want to look for is things that will identify where that wire is coming up in the wall. Let me turn this camera around. You see the ductwork right there. It's a return down in that bedroom. We know that that wall is a little bit to the left of it. We turn this camera over here, we can see where it's coming through the wall down there. We're just going to go ahead and get her pulled to put my respirator back on so I don't end up. Hope you enjoy. Pull that wire. Yeah. Okay. Well, hey, my prepper friends. You know, we just got done running that electric line, and one of the things about air movement in a house is making sure that we close off any gaps that are happening within the drywall. You should do this during the construction, but your older houses didn't do it. So I want to be up here closing off some holes. There's one of them. That's where the light fixture is downstairs. I'm going to seal it off, and we have a nice tight air seal on it so we're not leaking any of the conditioned air up into the attic. Stay safe out there. Hey, so we got this switch hooked up on it, so bottom one's gonna do the fan, and then our top one is gonna do the light. So there you have it. 2 switches installed, one to control the fan and one to control the light.